Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose password and biometrics, choose set privacy password over here, click use a different password type and pick one of those login methods for your apps. I will go with pattern. Then enter it, repeat it and answer this security question. You can also click on it and tap on one of those to answer that one. But you can also choose custom question over here, create your own. Save it by clicking at the top right corner of this custom question pop-up and remember to answer it correctly below. Then click at the top right corner here and choose App Lock. Now you can finally click on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock. That you wish to lock. I will go with Amazon Shopping, so I have to click on the switcher over it. Choose Use if I want to use Face Unlock to unlock this app as well, but I will go with Cancel. And now when I go back and try to access Amazon, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!